Children, I told you that we are going to draw two birds facing opposite to each other. For that I have only drawn two lines. See, this is a line and this is a cross mark, isn't it? Now we will start. We are going to draw a semicircle and we will join here, and here also one semicircle we will join here. Now we will do two circles. See, we will do two circles, and here we will do the eyes. Here also eyes. Okay, and here one small design I have drawn, and this is the beak of the bird. This is also the beak of the bird. Okay, children. Now again one half circle, semicircle we will do. Here to here we will join, and then we will draw the tail. See, so beautifully I have drawn. And here the branch of the tree, and here also the branch of the tree, and here the tiny legs. Here also the tiny legs of the bird. Here you can do the designs of the wings, and here also. Okay, see? Okay. Over, children. Now see, so beautifully we have drawn two birds, isn't it? Only by using the line, the circles and the semicircles. You can also do this at home, children. Thank you. Bye.